Hello, welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Halima. If you don't know who I am, okay, so I basically wanted to show you something exciting today, something that I recently purchased off TikTok, and I've been using it for a few days now, guys, and I can say I love this thing. I love this product so much. I don't know if you guys can see any difference in me. Okay, take a good look at me. What can you see that is different? Okay, I guess you know what it is my hair. Okay, so you can see that one side of my hair looks like all kind of hydrated. It looks glossy, it looks shiny, the curls are all defined, it look really healthy. Okay, and then one side of my hair looks really dry, the curls are not proper defined. Okay, so I came across this texturizing spray from Young Hair. Okay, and it's actually the salt water spray. It's not just ordinary salt water spray. Okay, this very intense product that mainly put moisture back in your hair. Okay, so it gives you a natural wavy looking hair. It's excellent to use during summertime because it gives you that beachy wave kind of defined curls. Okay, great for winter time because you know winter time our hair gets really dry and dehydrated looking. Okay, so if you want to add moisture into your hair, okay, if you want to get a glossy beautiful texturized hair during winter or summertime, this product is gonna be the one to go for. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the link down below. However, I'm gonna give it a try now. So I have done this side, as you guys can see. Okay, I'm gonna now go ahead and do this side so we can compare the differences. Okay, so let's open this package. I'm so excited. Okay, when I purchased it, I was like, I got to try this because I was like, I looked at the review and it had a really great review. Some people were like saying that it's really good for their hair. It makes their hair really soft and supple and hydrated looking and glossy. So I was like, I got to try this. So whether you wear wig, whether it's your own hair, whatever hair type you have, this is gonna be amazing. So let's give it a try. So all you need to do is just give it a bit of a shake, okay, and just spray. Guys, you see these curls, okay? I've not done anything. You guys literally saw me putting this spray in this hair. It can be used for all hair type. It can be used for all hair type. So I'm gonna leave the link down below. Make sure you grab one. Make sure you buy one because this is gonna make your hair. Let me just come closer to the camera so you guys can see the shine. Okay, check this shine out. Okay, see how shiny this hair is looking. See, I've not done anything with the curls. The curls are naturally defined. Okay, so this hair salty water is amazing. As you guys can see, check it out. My hair looks hydrated. It looks proper nice. Okay, so make sure you grab yourself one before you go out of stock. You just tell me. Look at this. Look at how beautiful my hair look. Okay,